You need to watch this if you struggle with making money online. This year's got some fresh and easy ways to fatten your wallet. First up, the gig economy. Apps like Fiverr and Upwork are popping off, and people are cashing in by offering their skills, from graphic design to voiceovers. Got a talent? There's a gig for that. Next, let's talk about online surveys. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you to share your opinions. It's like getting paid to complain. Who wouldn't love that? And get this, affiliate marketing is still booming. Promote products you love on social media or a blog and rake in commissions. Did you just recommend a cool gadget to your friend? Cha-ching! Don't forget about the resale game. Platforms like eBay and Poshmark make it super easy to sell your old stuff. Your clutter is someone else's treasure. Finally, content creation is king. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or streaming on Twitch, creating engaging content can turn views into dollars. Just be yourself, and who knows? You might be the next viral sensation. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start making that money. 2024 is your year.